Maiden flight.
Go balls and all, or should I just test it?
I'd give it a quick little test, maybe, just see how it... It's blowing the box.
It's gonna blow my Mustang away, man.
Well, that's generating a bit, because that was a bit of weight there. That's going all right. All right, Jordy, see if you can bring her in for a landing. Watch the posts.
Maiden.
Nice one.
Flight. Tell me
That
I
was all right.
shit myself then. Just wants to go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Supercharged Cessna. Got a lipo in it. Lipo battery. We're going to see how she goes. People everywhere. A couple.
It's a dog.
Dogs. Man with
There's
dog.
4 dogs over there.
Over there. Over there. Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Dutch courage. Aussie courage. Don't drink and fly. Here we go, boy.
Hang on.
You ready?
Alright, fly it like you hate it.
I fucking hate this shit. Supercharged Cessna. Flying.
It's relatively quiet.
Ooh.
Do you think?
Fucking pumping. Whoa. Touchy.
Where is it?
Drag.
Can you steer that one too?
It
Sorta?
was a smoother surface.